This is the Angry Birds CCsticks gummy candy. This is a very cool and interesting thing. You can eat it, and I will show you a video of it today. Let's get started. This is the Angry Birds CCsticks. CCsticks. Can you see CCsticks here? CCsticks. I got the red one. I also have a purple one here. This is the mixed fruit flavor, and the purple one is also the mixed fruit. Okay, let's open it. This is very easy to open. See? Here. Just go and tear it all up. Put the cut like twice. And then we pour out everything. See, there's nothing in this. And there's a lot of plastic, and you should have this in your packet too. This is a normal toy. Let me show you how to use it. This is the gummy CC stick. I will show you how to eat it later. This is how to use this. First, pop out all your shapes onto your table. This is very easy to do. Just pop it all out. Like this. The angle looks like it's standing on my leg, but it's not. Okay, so this is all you should have. This is all you should have. I will put it on a piece of colored paper to show you. This is all the pieces you should have. You should have a triangle, a wooden thing, something like that, and your Angry Bird. So first, what do is you take the Angry Bird, and then you see there are knots at the bottom. You want to slide those knots together so it becomes like this. This is a small triangle part. You want to get it out and then put it back in and lock it in place. This doesn't have an instruction box. Now we are almost done. Last for one step and we are done. You can place it stick up like this. Then take your Angry Bird and slide it in. And then you are done. I have a survey which is looking behind the camera. Looking behind the camera. I dropped this piece on the floor. And let's start using the CCsticks. There are varieties of colors. I have actually drawn a picture of fish. I have uploaded this picture and how to draw it on YouTube already. Okay, so first you get one stick and you just inside is a candy. Then there is actually a small plastic at the bottom and which you can't eat. Okay, and now to put it and bite it and start it up. And you can see this is a plastic, the gummy, the color is actually the candy. Tastes so nice. I show you again. And you bite. They say, the candy will be in your mouth. Just chew the candy and you're done. Bye.